Okay, class, so today I'm going to do a demo for how to do your value scale, which is going to have 9 different shades of gray in it. So what you're going to need first is to take your pencil and to just create 9 squares. And your squares should be pretty big, so make your 9 squares. And you can go ahead and take your black, your white, and do 1 square white. And I have a napkin to wipe my brush. And 1 square black. And I'm just using a piece of watercolored paper with gesso on it to make it so that the paint doesn't sink in. So then you're going to take your palette knife and mix pretty much equal parts of black and white together to make a nice shade of gray. And you really want to mix pretty strongly with your palette knife. It shouldn't be too weak. It's almost like a trowel. Okay, so then what we have is a gray. We have to find a medium point. So say this is our medium square. We have 3 colors down, but we have to come up with 9. So your job is to add white to make a lighter gray. And add black. To make your darker gray. And to do that in a way that you're filling 9 squares. So that's your challenge for this assignment. And then what I want you to do is also mix different colors. So I have a red, a blue, and a green here. And so I want you to play with the colors mixed with gray to see what you get. Like, so maybe you have a red that's a little bit, maybe you add some white. And you get a weird kind of dusty pink. Or maybe you add a little more black to almost get that really dark red. And I just want you to experiment with that and see kind of what different shades you can get. And then do the same thing with different colors. So take your leftover gray and add some blue. Oops. See what colors you get there. Take some green and mix it with your gray. And then add a little complementary color, red. And see what kind of colors you can get with that. I want you to start playing with mixing color and just seeing what kind of shades you can get. And then one of the last parts of the assignment is to mix in an earth tone. So I have burnt umber here. So let's mix a little burnt umber with this gray green color we have. Maybe it's a little too brown. Okay, so my gray brownish color looks a little too much like brown, so I'm gonna add some more green to it. And this is what I want you guys to do, is just to like explore the different colors and what they look like. So here we have this kind of brown green, and if I add a little bit of green to it, what do we get? Let's see, some kind of interesting shade of green. So that's basically what you're going to be doing for this assignment, and I will have a sheet with the exercise parameters spelled out for you, but this will just kind of give you an idea of how to get started. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.